To sign up for CapCut for free, make sure you click the link at the top of this video's description. There, you can sign up for CapCut, and if you decide to upgrade to CapCut Pro, you can make sure that you're getting the best available deal. Let's start by creating a new project. And you can do that by clicking on the big blue Create Project button here at the top. Let's go ahead and click on that now. And now we've created a new project. This is the main interface of CapCut, so let's take a moment to get familiar with everything that we're looking at here. Starting from the left-hand side, we have our media panel. This is where you'll import all of your footage, photos, and music. And you have some tabs up here, and we'll explore these in just a few minutes. Then towards the center of the screen, we have the player. While you're editing your video, you can preview everything that you're doing right here. Then towards the right-hand side of the screen, we have our details panel. This will show you your project name, your aspect ratio, resolution, and other details. And if you click on the modify button here, you can even change your project settings. You change the name of your project, your aspect ratio, resolution, frame rate, and color space. I'm happy with these settings, so I'll click on cancel. Then let's check out the bottom of the screen here. This is our timeline. All of the editing that you do will take place right here. That's pretty much everything that you need to know about CapCut's default layout.